First, open the After Effects. You need to create a WA transparent logo. Make sure the logo is fully transparent. Then apply the shadowy effect in After Effects. Next, go to Effect Controls. And under View, select Rendered. Now go to the Shape, then Pattern, and choose Custom. After that, under Custom Shader Map, replace the Nunda logo. Now open HForce 1 and set depth, radius, and strength all to 0. After that, go to On Camera Position and slightly adjust the Y rotation so you get a side view. To fill the empty black space that appears, go to Shape Menace again and increase the extrusion depth to around 0.60. Then go to Texture and change the side layer, Ercasis to the color. Set our lighting to our first comp light and keep the ambient light resonator value at 100. In Texture, give your logo a color similar to the original logo, then darken it a bit to create proper depth. Finally, go back to Camera Position and add keyframes to animate the Y rotation from 0 to 360 degrees. And now your 3D logo is ready to be used on your page. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.